Tracy and I were going for a walk around the square of our town, and we came across a place called the Butcher Shop, and it's an old-fashioned butcher shop, just like you would see in the movies back there in the 60s or 50s, you know, where you go in and get your meat. And we found a couple of these steaks that were on sale, and they were half the price that they were at Walmart. So 2 of these were $9.89, and these are strip steaks, and the price is $8.99 a pound. Right? Listen to this. You want to hear something? At Walmart, where I'm at, it's $17.99 a pound. So here's how I cook mine. When I'm cooking in-house and not barbecuing them, I preheat the Lodge cast iron pan. Reason I like Lodge cast iron is it heats evenly. There's even retention because the burners underneath are much, much smaller, but it heats that entire pan evenly, and so when you're cooking, you're not having hot spots with this pan. And that's why I like it. It will put a nice sear on both sides, and then Ruth Chris, what they like to do is after they put a sear on it, they throw it right there under a broiler and cook it in butter, garlic, a little onion, and that's what I'm going to do. So, oh, look at that, guys. Is that not sick? That's perfect size right there for a nice breakfast. Man, that's kind of a dinner portion, to tell you the truth. That's probably like half a pound. Oh my goodness. So I am in that about $4. Can you imagine if you went to a steakhouse and got that? How much they would hit you these days for? That's ridiculous. And I got 2 of those. And that discoloration, guys, that's just because of the air. That's not because it's a bad steak or anything. Look at that. Oh, Tracy, come look at this. Look at this. Woo! Wow! What do you think about that?
Oh, those are nice.
Yeah. Say, oh yeah, baby.
Excellent deal.
Excellent. Can you meow for me?
Meow.
Meow. All right, guys, you want to hear the most beautiful sound in the entire world? For a man, that's a man symphony right there. That is a man symphony.